Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. Say hi. She just says pet me human. Y'all, today I am here to announce the winner of the Small Business Saturday collab that I did with this wonderful, wonderful group of ladies. Y'all, I am so excited. So I'm gonna cut to a clip of me filming the picking process, and I will see you in a second with the winner. Yay, I am so excited. My winner is Mom Dukes. Congratulations, Mom Dukes. I am so excited you won. Y'all, if you don't know, Mom Dukes is a mother of another YouTube creator, one that was in the collab. And I am so excited. This is the first time she's ever won anything from me. So I really hope you enjoy the goodies I'm going to send you, Mom Dukes. Make sure you email me with your name and mailing address. It is takenheart0819@comcast.net. I'll also tell you, just watch this and respond and we'll get it together. You know how to reach me. I'm sure you do. Instagram, all that good stuff. I'm takenheart0819 on Instagram as well. So y'all can follow me on there too if you want. Y'all, thank you so very much for participating in this giveaway. I do have another giveaway running right now. If you didn't win this one, you will get another chance to win another giveaway. So go watch that video. That one is the Fab 500. But y'all, thank you so very much. I hope y'all will try the Doing Good company. I hope you will try the other companies that the other YouTubers in the collab suggested to you. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.